Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you box contents of the NHS COVID-19 self-test. It's also called rapid antigen test, which means you don't have to send samples to NHS for getting results. You can test yourself and you can see the COVID-19 positive or not yourself with this test. Let's open the box and see what's inside in the box. Here is the extraction tube holder. So there is a step-by-step guide COVID-19 self-testing. It shows how we can test some liquids. Certification. So disposable sampling swabs here. Here are some tubes. Yeah, test kits also. There's some plastics for the garbage actually. Yeah, everything is outside the box. This is NHS self COVID-19 test box. See you.